My name is Ankita Srivastav. I am a Pune-based psychologist, and I'm repeating my first level with Misbah ma'am, and it's obviously been wonderful. That's why I'm here the second time. It's been really helpful for me, and especially with the clients, it's something that really works very well. And the refresher course was really nice. So things I had forgotten for the past 2 years, a few small steps, small important and intricate things. So it was really helpful, and it was really nice. 6 sessions with ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for having me again.
Thank you. Any particular takeaway, Ankita?
I think my takeaway is again the revision of the soft C. So I think the soft C is something that I really enjoy working, at least even for myself and even for clients. Helps break down something that seems so complicated, and I think that's really interesting and very impressive for me. So it's always going to be the soft C. Hypnosis is definitely there, but the soft C makes everything so much easier. So yeah, again, my takeaway would be soft C.
All right. Thank you. Who's going next?
Should I?
I can go.
Okay, Kishorji and then Divyan.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Kishore Jha, practicing pathologist in Mumbai, and was interested in this course and came to know about Ichars as one of the best institutes offering this course of on hypnosis. And then I enrolled for level 1 first just to see how my experience is. And I have enjoyed my each and every work day with working with Ichars. My biggest takeaway is the soft C as well as the flip model both. I have enjoyed both these sessions. The reason being, flip is an easy way of handling day-to-day emotions and the common emotions that we normally encounter. Not only this is applicable in our family, amongst our friends, which we normally encounter, and we try to deal them, not knowing actually how we help them out. But here there is a model which actually pinpoints, how to handle each and every emotion, what is the root cause, and how do you address that situation to the flip model. And soft C again is for me, it's a Bible. The reason is you get everything pinpointed, and there is a precise, documenting of your problem. Actually, how many times I was not aware what I'm dealing with. Was it a thought or an emotion? How to segregate a thought and emotion, that also was a problem. So here I understood. See, there is a thought, there is an emotion. Some emotions are very predominant. So this clarity, I think, soft C gives you how to identify the problem and then the outcome. So for me, this is a life-changing experience. It's a life-changing experience, and I would love to continue this with level 2 and maybe further. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kishorji. That was quite kind. Thank you. Who's going next? Go ahead.
My name is Divyanshi Puri. I am a psychologist and a healer. And I came to know about ICHRs 1 year ago. And I think I did my first program, that was anxiety counseling with Ms. Ma'am only. I loved it so much. I was recommended this institute by one of my family friends. And then she recommended me, Divyanshi, now you should go for level 1. You should learn this. And as soon as I started learning with Ms. Ma'am, I loved every single class. It's the first time I have not procrastinated being in a class, not finding a way of missing class or, just being out of the class. So it's the first time I was very keen to learn and sit in one place. The best takeaway that I personally learned for myself was anchoring technique. So how you can anchor an emotion and, you can help yourself and others to overcome a specific situation that you are stuck in your daily basis. So I think anchoring was one of the best techniques. And soft C is literally, as Kishore sir said, it's a Bible. Like, it's a written Bible. You just have to follow it and you are done with everything. So thank you so much, ma'am, for teaching this to us.
You're welcome. Thank you. And now it's Daisy.
So I'm Daisy Bastian. I work as the head of the school and principal of a Cambridge school. And I am also a qualified trained psychologist. I wanted to launch my career as a psychological counselor and therapist. So I was looking for some skills, and I am so glad that I found Ichars, and I am here. So level 1 was kind of tremendous skill development, and it has motivated me to the core. I learned a lot of things. Every class was something like transformational for me in my personal life, and it has given me a lot of insights and skills. So I am feeling a lot more confident than how I came in. I feel right away today, I was telling Kishore that I feel like right away go and join somewhere and do the work kind of thing, that much enthusiasm. And I feel confident because of the skills I have acquired. Everything, anchoring was excellent. Self-hypnosis, which I learned was, I think I am going to use it every day. And then, of course, OPSI was something which has given me very fine-tuned skills. I think that is one of the best anybody can have as a coach and a trainer. So thank you, Ms. Ma'am. You were kind of really accompanying us during the last 6 sessions, and it was kind of marathon from morning till evening. But the energy and the kind of commitment and dedication you have been, every time your voice was so powerful in the sense, a lot of energy. So I was wondering also how you maintained that energy and strength throughout the day. And it was amazing journey for me. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to the other levels to continue my journey in acquiring skills and capabilities. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.